Hey guys, it's Bella. So today we are going to Australia Zoo and we're going to learn some stuff about wildlife, and yeah, just honestly this is just a test run to see like how the videos go and yeah, all the good stuff. So I'll see you there. Okay, we are at Australia Zoo. We are just outside the tiger enclosure because of copyright reasons. I won't be going in there because of the music. So, we will sit outside and we will observe. Actually, let's go for a trip. I'll tell you some cool facts about tigers while we go for a trip. So, tigers are really cool creatures. I've just figured out why I'm not going down there, because there are a bunch of people. So, tigers are really cool creatures. Sumatran tigers are really cool, and they're the smallest of the tiger subspecies, and they are carnivores, which means they can basically eat meat, big or small. They will conquer it in no time, and they're also really fast. They can run up to 40 miles per hour. However, they are ambush predators, which means that they sneak up on their prey and they attack it. However, due to habitat loss and the creation of palm oil farms, it's become really hard for tigers to find food sources. And that's why it's so important to, be conscious about what we're buying and make sure we're not encouraging the use of palm oil and all that kind of stuff. They are just such beautiful creatures. It's not worth losing them for a piece of jewellery that's only going to last you not very long. With that said, I say, let's go look at some rhinos. Okay. We are walking to Africa now to go look at the rhinos, and I just thought I'd give you a few facts, a few fun facts about rhinos. So southern white rhinos are a subspecies of the white rhino, and they have the largest horn of any rhino, which is insane. They are absolutely massive. Oh, it's a bit bright. And they do this thing where they cover themselves in mud to stay cool and to keep themselves protected from the sun. So a way southern white rhinos mark territories by spraying urine around, and especially because the male white rhinos are super territorial, and so they do dung scattering around their ecosystem. They also have square mouths like mowers, and so it's easier for them to eat grass because of that, like, rectangular square shaped mouth. Okay, it is officially the end of my day. I've gone to see the tigers, I've gone to see the rhinos, I've done my lap. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this and what other animals you would want to see, and just anything else you guys would want to see as well. I'm kind of new, so like, ooh. So like, bear with me, it's going to be bad for a while, but yeah, just let me know what you guys think, send me a message, or whatever. If you see me in person, let me know, tell me what you guys think, and yeah, bye!